In this section, we'll look at how we can make our website optimized for SEO. Let's start off with domain name. Most of you watching this course probably have a domain and a site and are looking to improve their rankings, so you can't change your domain name now, but you can keep this tip in mind for future reference when you're buying a new domain. As we've already studied about keywords, having a keyword in your domain name can be very helpful and will boost your ranking. For example, your website is about Pokemon cards. You want your website to show up first when someone searches for Pokemon cards. This is your primary keyword. So if you have a domain like PokemonCards.com, which is probably taken, but you can always do some variations and spend time to find one which is available. So a domain name with PokemonCards.com will rank better than a website with domain names such as CartoonCards.com or something. This is because search engine values the domain name, and having your primary keyword in there tells the search engine that this website is totally related to this keyword. Although such domains are not brandable, so if you have PokemonCards.com, you can't sell other cartoon cards. It's restricted to one type, but the plus side is that it will rank easily and fastly. The second thing I want to talk about is URL structure. It's highly recommended to put your keywords in your URL structure. Look at these example URLs. Let's say the item number 2 is a red t-shirt. When someone searches Google for red t-shirt, it's hard for search engine to rank this site with this URL because Google doesn't know what item 2 is. The proper way to do this would be this way. Now when someone searches for red t-shirt, search engine will inspect this link and note that this link has the keyword clothes. Clothes is related to red t-shirt, so that's a plus point. It also has the keyword t-shirt, which is part of the main search, another plus point. And it also has the keyword red t-shirt in the link, so the search engine will think that the website is definitely related to this search. The other important thing about the URL structure is the placement of keyword. If you have a social site, for example, socialsite.com, and you have to make links for user profiles. So what you should do is take my first advice and put the keyword in the link. Keyword in this case would be the profile name. So for example, if John Doe signs up on your social media, the link to his profile would be one of these cases, most probably. The first example is completely wrong. It doesn't contain the keyword. The second example is somewhat correct since it has the keyword itself, and the last example is absolute best because the closer your keyword is to the domain name, the more impact it creates. In the second example, the keyword was 4 directories deep, which means it has less importance.